I'm Timo FPV. This is the FPV Journey, Episode 8, Donkey Loops. All right, so today we're gonna learn a new FPV trick. And I am so excited because usually I just pick a trick and go, but this time I want to spin a wheel. I put all of the tricks on a random wheel generator, let that decide what trick I learn, and we go from there. All right, so here we are in the generator, and as you can see I have all these tricks on here, so let's spin it and see which one we got. Here we go. All right, and it's gonna be donkey loop. The heck is a donkey loop? All right, let's copy and paste it and look it up. I don't know if I've mentioned this during these tricks, but I'm using the same tutorial videos on YouTube for all of these tricks. Okay, I think I got it. Let's go fly. To fly. All right, let's try not to slam into nothing again. What? That was sick. All right, let's do it, let's do it for real. It is so windy. Oh, I wish you could feel this. It's so windy. I landed in a tree. I got it stuck in the tree. Hopefully my neighbors don't notice that I'm climbing up their tree. Got a really long pole. Problem is I'm too short, so I had to get this stool. That try though, I almost had it. Felt pretty good, felt pretty confident. The only bummer now is the stool's even tall enough for me. Can I even get it? Is the question. Oh, I'm touching it. I'm touching it. Gosh. There we go. Didn't even break a prop. Look at us. Look at us. That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna unplug the battery because we don't need that right now. Anything else missing? Doesn't look like it. Everything else is intact. Some dirt on the props, but that's amazing. No broken arms. These things are sturdy, dude. I publicly apologize to my neighbors for getting that stuck in their tree. We're gonna aim not to do that again. All right, but we're not done. This battery still has some juice in it, and we want to nail this trick. So it's cold outside. It's cold outside. It's cold, so cold outside. It's so cold outside. Look how dirty we got. Can you see? Yeah, look at that. Some nice dirt. Fantastic. That's what I call a good day flying. GoPro, turn off. All right, so today we did trick number 8 of 64. And this one, honestly, I'm gonna give it a 1.5 star out of 5. Not too bad. Could be better. There's our last trick, dives. Yeah, nice. All right, this one, get ready. We're gonna draw a loop, okay? There's a loop with a donkey loop. He looks deformed, but that's okay. There you go, donkey loop, done. There we go, we did the donkey loop. We did the trick, it's written down, so it is finished, complete. Yeah, I think it was pretty challenging, honestly, because it was really windy outside. So anytime I went up, it always drifted me off to the side, or maybe that's just because something's up with the quad, but who knows? Certainly not me. All right, I've been Timo FPV. I hope you had a good time. Remember, stay flying, stay out there, stay soaring, and see you next time.